Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the opening match in the best of three quarter-final series. Scores are Westwood High on 4, Charlemont High now also on 4. The judges accepted the answer to the question, what is the general name given to the chemical compounds used to remove excess chlorine? The answer given, antichlorides, was in fact accepted. I did throw it to the judges, and so they pick up that point, and we are neck and neck as we proceed into the Speed Challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Westwood High, you were sent in to bat first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, according to the book of 2 Kings, what was the nationality of Naaman?
Syrian.
That's right. Mosses belong to which division of the plant kingdom?
Rephites.
Correct. By using the word collar, C-O-L-L-A-R, give an expression which means to be angry.
To be hot on the color.
That's right. Who is the president of Liberia?
George Weah.
Correct. Name the bridge that links the U.S. cities of San Francisco and Oakland.
Bridge.
That's correct. The 16th century fortress at São Miguel is found in which capital city in Africa?
Africa.
Laos.
Luanda. What is the name of the Spanish Latin pop and dance duo which was formed in 1962 by Antonio Romero Monge and Rafael Ruiz Perdigon?
Tango.
Los del Rios. What is the relative atomic mass of bromine to the nearest whole number?
80.
Good. Expand x minus 4 into x plus 7.
X squared plus 3x minus 28.
Very good. Who played the lead role actor in the movie Lincoln?
Daniel Lewis.
That's right. And we won't have time. Very well done, Westwood, for your first minute. Charlemont High, coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, in the book of 2 Kings, from which prophet did Naaman seek healing?
Elisha.
Correct. Ferns belong to which division of the plant kingdom?
Coniferous.
Pteridophyta. By using the word belfry, give an expression which means to be insane.
To be mad belfry.
To have bats in the belfry. Who is the president of Tunisia?
Tunisia. Pass.
Kais Saied. Which European city is called the City of Lights?
Paris.
That's right. Which capital city in Africa is nearest to Cape Mesurado on the Atlantic coast?
Pass.
Monrovia. Who originally recorded the Cha-Cha slide?
What's your name?
Pass.
Pass.
DJ Casper or Willie Perry Jr. What is the relative atomic mass of titanium to the nearest whole number?
45.
48. Expand x plus 6 into x minus 5.
X squared plus 1.
Minus 30.
X squared plus x minus 30. Who played the lead? And we won't have time. Well done, Charlemont, for your first minute. Ladies, coming back over to you now for your second minute. Which Caribbean leader made the statement 10 minus 1 equals... Sorry?
Williams.
That's right. 10 minus 1 equals 0. Who scored for the Reggae Boys in their 2-1 loss to Mexico in their World Cup qualifier in January 2022? Sorry?
Michael Antonio.
Daniel Johnson. A chain hoist is an example of which simple machine?
Pulley.
That's right. What number is 300 in English?
200.
That's right. Who wrote the novel The Heart Goes Last?
Pass.
Margaret Atwood. Complete the Jamaican proverb. A greedy make fly follow.
Fat.
Coffin go in a hole. Go a hole. In the Bible, which two women were married to Jacob?
Leah and Rachel.
That's right. How many canine teeth does the average adult human
4.
have? That's right. Spell the past participle of ride, R-I-D-E.
R-I-D-D-E-N.
That's right. Who was the mayor of Mandeville in Jamaica?
Yavi.
Donald Mitchell.
That's right. In which country was the Aston Martin Motor Company founded?
Germany.
England or Great Britain. What is the capital city of Croatia?
Zagreb.
That's right. In which Bob Marley song is the line, "It's not all that glitters is gold"? And we won't have time for your answer to that. That's get up, stand up. Well done, ladies, for your second minute. Charlemont, coming back over to you now for your second minute. Who founded the Grenada United Labour Party?
Archbishop.
Eric Gary. Who was shown a red card in the Reggae Boys versus Mexico World Cup qualifier in January?
Pass.
Damien Lowe. An axe is an example of which simple machine?
Lever.
A wedge. What number is 500 in English?
500.
That's right. Who wrote the novel Captains Courageous?
Pass.
Rudyard Kipling. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Anything stay too long?
Serve two masters.
Correct. In the Bible, which men held up Moses' hands during a battle?
Aaron and Ur.
Correct. What is the more popular name for the teeth known as third molars?
Premolars.
Wisdom teeth. Spell the past participle of bear, B-E-A-R.
B-O-R-E.
B-O-R-N-E, who is the mayor of Black River in Jamaica.
There's song, sir.
Correct. Which automaker uses a blue oval with the automaker's name
Ford.
inscribed? Correct. What is the capital city of Cyprus?
Nicosia.
That's right. In which Bob Marley song is the line, "Freedom came my way one day and I started out of town"?
I
Yeah.
shot the sheriff.
Correct. Well done, Charlemont, for your second minute. Westwood, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the UPAC name for acetaldehyde? Acetaldehyde, yes.
Aspirin.
Aspirin. No.
Ethanol. If 25 oranges cost $5, what is the cost of 40 similar oranges?
$8.
Correct. Who played the role of Jerry Lane in the movie World War Z?
Pass.
Brad Pitt. In which year did Angela Merkel first become German Chancellor?
2005.
Correct. Which country won the 50-over cricket World Cup for senior men in 1992?
West Indies.
Pakistan. Which thermodynamic quantity may be considered as a measure of the degree disorder of a system?
Entropy.
Correct. What is the first-person singular present tense of the Spanish verb venir?
Bengo.
Correct. Who wrote the novel Jude the Obscure?
Pass.
Thomas Hardy. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Bad luck was?
Adamobia.
Correct. What is the only non-synoptic gospel in the
John.
Bible? Correct. What is another name for visual purple, the reddish pigment found in the rods of the human eye?
Pass.
Rhodopsin, using the word hand, give an idiomatic expression which means to humbly ask for a favor.
Go cap in hand.
That's right. In local media circles, what does PAJ stand for? And we won't have time for that. That's the Press Association. Well done, ladies, for your third and final minute. Charlemont, coming back over to you now for your third and final. What is the formula for formaldehyde?
Formaldehyde. CHO3.
HCOH or H2CO. If 18 apples cost $36, what is the cost of 24 similar apples?
$48.
Correct. Who played the role of Captain Speak in the movie World War Z?
Pass.
James Badge Dale. In which year did Nicolas Sarkozy become president of France?
Pass.
2007. Which country won the 50-over cricket World Cup for senior men in 1987?
Pass.
Australia. What term is given to a particle of light energy?
Pass.
Photon. How do you say I came in Spanish?
I came. Pass.
Yo vine. Who wrote the novel Brighton Rock?
Brighton Rock. Graham Greene.
Good. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Beg water can't boil.
Cocaine.
Good. Which book comes immediately after the Pentateuch in the Bible?
Pass.
Joshua. Other than hyperopia, what is the medical term for long-sightedness?
Hyperbole.
Sorry?
Hypermetropia.
Okay, hypermetropia came, but I believe it was after the bell. That's the end of the speed challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Westwood High pulling ahead to 27 points. Charlemont High still very much in the game on 16. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting Buzzer Challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay tuned. The best of three quarter-finals in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.